Welcome to our tutorial on how to unmute a channel on WhatsApp Web for PC. With the latest update, managing your channel notifications has become even easier. If you've previously muted a channel and now want to start receiving updates again, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unmute a channel and stay connected with your favorite content. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WhatsApp Web. If you haven't already, you'll need to scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Next, locate and click on the Channels option in this left side menu. This will bring up a list of all the channels you've joined. Scroll through until you find the specific channel you want to unmute. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the name of the channel you wish to unmute. This will open up the channel's information page. Look for the Muted option. It should be clearly visible. To unmute the channel, simply click on the toggle next to Muted to disable it. You'll notice the toggle switch from on to off. And just like that, you've successfully unmuted the channel. From now on, you'll start receiving notifications for new posts and updates from this channel. It's that easy to stay in the loop with your favorite content creators or news sources. Remember, you can always repeat this process to mute the channel again if you need some quiet time. WhatsApp Web gives you full control over your notification preferences, allowing you to customize your experience to suit your needs. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.